Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. So if you've been following my channel, you know I'm doing a rescue on a 2017 Energica Eva. It's an incredible electric motorcycle. I bought the bike crashed. I'm having to do a bunch of repairs on it. I sent the battery out to California, got it back, repaired. The charge is up now. So now I got to get down to doing all the body work and the replacement on the damaged parts. So I got a whole bunch of parts just came in from Energica. I want to show you what's inside this box. So let's check it out. Hey guys, first off I want to say that every single carbon fiber part on this bike and all the body panels are carbon fiber broke. Every single one of them. They all have cracks in them, scratched, but amazingly they didn't get ripped off. If you're riding a sport bike that's got like ABS on it, usually when they fall, they like self-destruct and every piece breaks and goes flying off the bike. But every single part was on this bike. Some road rash, but I was majorly impressed at how strong the carbon fiber was. But a lot of the foot pegs and stuff broke and bent, my triple and all that kind of stuff. So let's see what's in this box. All right, so let's get it open. All right, so I bought both two new mirrors, right and left side. That's just the full rear fender assembly. I wanted to go back as a full rescue, like a full factory looking bike. So here's the turn signals. All right, front and rear got all new ones. All right, here's front brake lever, a couple pieces. This is for underneath the seat, a couple little odds and end parts. This is for the right side foot peg rear set. Here's the right side rear set here. This on the bike got twisted this way, and the brake lever was hitting the swing arm, so that was pretty destroyed. Bunch of bolts and stuff for mounting things in. They were damaged. Here's part of the foot peg as well. I think some parts I'm still waiting on, but hopefully I can salvage those parts, bushings and stuff from the old one. Tail light was broken, got a new tail light. Okay, these are the dust seals and the bearings for the triple tree. All right, the stem and all that, so got all those as well, because with the damage on the stem, you want to replace all that. All right, so here's the whole front fairing where the gauge mounts and everything, that's broken on it, so I got a whole new one of those. Looking good. Can't wait to get this on because the other one is all scratched up. I think the one I have on there is carbon fiber, which it comes in carbon fiber or in this plastic, so I went with the plastic one. Save a little bit of money at least. Whew. Quite a bit more of that fiberglass. And then this part here, the big one. So on mine, it broke this whole stem off right here, which is the steering stop, so it snapped that puppy right off of there. So when you sit there and you turn the wheel to the right, it'll hit the tank if I don't replace this. So ordered up a new one here. Should be pretty easy to swap out, but this is a really important one right here that I was waiting on, so I'm glad this is in here looking good. All right, and that's all there is to it. That's what I got so far. Those are all, besides all the plastic work that I got to, well, carbon fiber work I got to do. These are the nitty-gritty stuff that just got destroyed during the accident. The rims didn't get tore up. The The lugs and the forks got a little scuff, swing arm got a little scuff, those kind of things, but we can deal with that. All right, so that's all there is to it. I want to thank Energica of New England. I ordered all my parts through there. They were very helpful in getting the parts and getting them shipped to me. So thank you, Energica of New England. So I got all these parts here. Now these are all the broken parts. The carbon fiber and stuff, all that is all body work that I got to do. So that's a whole nother, there's going to be a whole nother video and the color that I'm going to paint it and all the carbon fiber work I got to do. Not a big deal, I just need time. And you saw I'm opening this up on my shop floor, but there's no shop, as you can see behind me. No shop is up yet. Hopefully that'll happen next week. I'm waiting for that to happen so I can do the body work because I need more room for that. But it's coming together, this build, one piece at a time. Looking forward to getting the whole bike together and taking it for a good long ride. I got a lot of plans for this bike. All right, guys, so do me a favor. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, this is Tepcocyclerepair. Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. So if you've been